This demonstration is going to show you how to book an airline reservation in the iTravel tool. You must have already completed your profile to book travel. You can either book travel for yourself or for a guest. In this demonstration, I am going to book travel for myself, and I'm going to select the airline icon to book a flight. You can book a round-trip flight, a one-way flight, or a multi-segment flight. Enter your departure city. In this example, I will use Chicago. I have the ability to search a specific airport, such as Chicago O'Hare, or the ability to search all of the Chicago area airports. In this example, I will select O'Hare. I can select my arrival city. In this example, it will be Dallas, Texas. And once again, you have the ability to select either a specific airport in the Dallas area or all of the Dallas area airports. In this example, I will use the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport. You will enter your departure date. I can select whether I want to depart at a specific time or arrive at my destination at a specific time. And I can notate whether I want to search the specific time up to 8 hours, which is the default, or I can change it. Select your return date options. At this point, if you want to add a car or a hotel, you can select either one of these options. I can specify a specific airline if I want to search a specific airline. If I want to select only refundable fares, I have that option. And I can decide whether I want the options to display by price or by schedule. In this option, we will use schedule. Go ahead and select the search option. In your flight display at the top of your screen, you will be presented with a matrix. If you do not see the matrix, there will be a link to display it or hide it. This sorts all of your flight options by carrier and by whether they are non-stop or one-stop. This is a very handy reference guide if there are a lot of different options displayed. As I said earlier, you can decide whether you want the display to show fares or schedule. In this example, we are showing it by schedule. Here I have my outbound tab selected, and all of my different options are presented. You have the price for that particular segment. You have the carrier, the origination, the departure time, your destination, and your arrival time. It tells you how many stops that flight will make and what class of service this ticket will be booked in. Going to go ahead and select this option. And once an option was selected, all of my return options will be displayed. Once again, I have my price, my carrier, my departure and arrival cities, and the times that they depart and arrive. I'm going to go ahead and select this first option. Once I've selected these two options, I'm going to price them. And this particular option is $461.20. Because this is above the threshold that the University of Illinois has, it is yellow. I'm going to go ahead and select a green option because these flight times are very similar and it is less expensive. Here I have one more chance to verify that these are the correct flight options. I will enter and update my traveler information as needed. If I've added a frequent flyer program to my profile, I have the ability to verify that as well. Or if I haven't added it to my profile, I can add it at this time. You can add a seat assignment if the airline does allow it, or your seats will automatically be assigned based on your preference that was put into your profile. Review your price. Select your payment method from the drop-down. If you haven't already added a payment method to your profile, or if there's another card you would like to use, you can use the Add Credit Card option. Take a look at the rules of the fare. Most airline tickets are non-refundable. And select Reserve Flight and continue. Now you want to review your travel details. At this point, your reservation is not submitted for purchase. Review those details. Determine whether you want to add a car or hotel to this reservation. Review your reservation. Review the cost. Select Next. There's a warning message advising you don't have a car or hotel reservation. I'm going to go ahead and select OK. And then you want to enter in some specific information. If you want to name your trip, you can do so here. You can add a description. If you are wanting to add any specific comments to the travel agent, you can add them in this box. If you want to send a copy of your confirmation email, you can add an additional email address here. This is a requirement to add that you acknowledge that you are making a fiscal commitment to the university. Select the type of travel, whether it's in-state, out-of-state. If it's travel for a non-employee, that's where you would notate it here. And you do need to say if you have an unused ticket in your profile. If you have an unused ticket in your profile, we will attempt to apply that credit to this reservation. And if you don't, you just simply advise that you don't. Go right ahead and select Next. This is your trip confirmation page. This is the final page of the reservation process. Scroll to the bottom once you have verified one last time that everything is correct and select Purchase Ticket. Once you select Purchase Ticket, you will receive a confirmation email advising you that your trip has been submitted for purchase. And once your reservation is ticketed, you will get another confirmation saying that your ticket has been issued. Thank you.